I'm Julie Blanner behind the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and recipes. Today I'm sharing all of the best gardening finds on Amazon. One of the things I love about Amazon is that they have an array of products. You know, you can find about anything and everything there. But that also means that it's really difficult to sift through to find those beautiful finds that you want to integrate into your home. Well, fortunately, I've done all the groundwork for you, and today I'm sharing all of the best gardening finds on Amazon. It's the perfect time of year to get outside and get your hands dirty, or not, and plant some gardening bulbs and beautiful mums and things like that. Our first find that I wanted to discuss with you is this beautiful set of 4 wooden gardening tools. And what's so great about these is they are not only functional, they're really strong and durable, but they're also super reasonable and pretty. You can hang these on a peg rail, you can keep these out. It's just one of those things that you don't mind showing in your home. I love to take a utilitarian approach to our home and our decorating style. I'm somewhat of a minimalist, and that means that everything I use, I like it to be pretty. That if we forget to put it away, if we don't take the time to put it away, that it doesn't feel like an eyesore. It feels very intentional. And these gardening tools do just that. So this set of 4 gardening tools is so incredibly inexpensive, and it has that very timeless feel. So I really enjoy those, and like I said, they're very durable, so you can actually dig in the dirt and not have them break on you, which is first and foremost important. Another one of my very favorite Amazon gardening finds are just these really easy and inexpensive copper garden markers. Now, if you follow along a lot of our home decor, I love to integrate copper anywhere and everywhere, because its patina is just so beautiful. It only gets more beautiful as it ages. And these garden markers are no exception. And it comes with a little marker. You can write whatever it is that you planted on there. It's really great, especially when you're planting in the fall because you're not sure if it's going to pop up next season, or when you're trying to decipher between different herbs. Again, these are really inexpensive and they weather so pretty. And they incorporate really well into a gift basket. In fact, so many of these items do. Another great Amazon gardening find are some pruners. Now, some heavy-duty pruners aren't just for the garden, but they're also great to make beautiful flower arrangements. You want some really heavy-duty ones that can actually snap through effortlessly your stems, especially when you're working with something like heavy-duty hydrangea in late fall. They get really woody and it can become difficult to snap, but not with a great set of pruners. So I selected these wood pruners for you because I've had them for several years now. Like I said, they're durable, they're beautiful, and you can integrate them anywhere in your home and not feel like they stand out. Next are gardening packets. I love little seed packets because, again, this is an easy and inexpensive way to plant and have something beautiful grow later this season or next season. And they're also really easy to incorporate into a beautiful gardening gift basket. I think these are absolutely beautiful, and it's so much cheaper than actually purchasing all of the individual plants yourself. Of course, you can plant these in your garden or in a pot. You can also use something like this. I love these because they're really easy to integrate into pots later. Now, another great find are just these really simple terracotta pots. Terracotta pots, again, they patina as they age, so they only get more beautiful. Of course, they're pretty and simple as they are now. You can see this pot has had the opportunity to weather a little bit more, but they're great for bringing all your herbs in for the fall and winter season and lining up anywhere throughout your home, indoors or out. I love how, again, too, they come with saucers, so they pair nice together and you don't have to worry about making a mess. But they just become more and more beautiful with time as they start to develop a patina, and you'll notice you'll get some white here on the exterior. Another really great find from Amazon are these little pots. This set of 3, again, incredibly inexpensive. I brought these home from our lake house just to show you because I stringed them down our stairs there. You can find that image over on Instagram. But the set of 3 pots, they're all different sizes. I think I have the largest and the medium in here right now, but it also comes with a small size, and they're really beautiful. You can use them indoors or out, and they're lined with plastic. So they're safe for use indoors without fearing any issues with, damaging your floors or a beautiful table or something like that. So you can integrate them indoors or out. I really like them again for fall. You can use them with mums, but lavender is beautiful in them as well, but really truly any houseplant. Another great Amazon find are these gloves. Again, I don't find the color offensive. It blends in so well with our home, but I also love wearing them because the leather is super, super soft and very flexible, which makes it easy to garden in, but it also protects you all the way up your arm. So that's really great when you're working with things like pampas grasses or you're cutting back your roses. You really want to give your arms protection as well so they don't get scratched up or cut up. And you can see they have additional suede padding. Again, they're really inexpensive, they're beautiful, and you can leave them out without having any shame at all. I hope you'll stop by and see me at julieblanner.com. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and YouTube as well. And make sure you click follow so you find more of my favorite Amazon finds. Of course, you can also find me in my Amazon storefront at amazon.com/shop/Julie Blanner with a B. See you there.